This is a 2007 Honda Civic with a 1.8, and the problem it's experiencing is high negative fuel trims. And as you can see, the combined short-term and long-term at the moment is close to 25%, but it will go up to 30%. And it's across the board, regardless of load or RPM, it stays within that range. My initial thought was that perhaps injectors were leaking, so I checked the fuel pressure. Fuel pressure is perfect, right within spec. It holds the pressure. There's no evidence of leaking injectors. Mass airflow sensors reading correctly. And the commanded equivalence ratio and the actual equivalence ratio track one another pretty much perfectly, so there's no evidence of air-fuel ratio sensor problems. And so what I discovered is that this engine has excessive blow-by. And I did a leak down test, and all the cylinders are approximately 10% leak down except for number 2, which is approaching 20% leak down. And so what's going on here is that those excessive blow-by gases are being, sucked into the intake through the PCV system, and that's enriching the fuel mixture, and that's causing these high negative reductions. So I'll show you what happens when I take the PCV system out of the loop, disconnect the PCV valve, and block off the port on the intake, what happens at the fuel trim.